Hey guys, so today we have a battle between Lightning L-DRAGO and Storm AQUARIO. So this is a battle that happened in the anime in Metal Fusion, where Ryuga completely destroys Storm AQUARIO or Wind AQUARIO. I will be switching Aquario's mode from attack and then stamina from time to time, and as always, first to 5 points wins the whole series. And Lightning L-DRAGO takes the first round. And Aquario takes that round. So it's 2-1 in favor of Lightning. And Lightning takes it with a sleep out. So it's 3-1 for L-DRAGO. I will be changing Aquario's mode to stamina mode. And it's now match point for Lightning L-DRAGO. And Lightning L-DRAGO finishes series. So there we go guys, Lightning L-DRAGO defeats Aquario and with a 5-1 score. I hope you enjoyed that video, and like and subscribe if you did, and that's it. Thank you for watching.